Good day,
Good day,
everyone.
everyone.
We
We
are the
are the
PNY,
PNY,
and
and
we
we
are
are
here to
here to
present
present
our
our
final
final
project in
project in
IT
IT
321
321
entitled
entitled
Finding
Finding
Dormy,
Dormy,
a
a
mobile-based
mobile-based
platform
platform
for
for
finding
finding
dormitories in
dormitories in
Pinaots and
Pinaots and
Ildefonso,
Ildefonso,
Bulacan.
Bulacan.
So
So
let's
let's
now
now
begin.
begin.
Before we
Before we
start,
start,
I'm
I'm
here
here
to
to
present
present
our
our
members
members
of
of
our
our
group, the
group, the
PNY.
PNY.
I'm
I'm
John
John
Dizon,
Dizon,
the
the
project
project
manager,
manager,
and
and
here's
here's
Yul
Yul
David,
David,
the
the
system
system
analyst,
analyst,
Russell
Russell
Igna, the
Igna, the
digital
digital
designer,
designer,
Jose
Jose
Gabriel
Gabriel
De Jesus,
Jesus,
the
the
database,
database,
Kian
Ian
Labiano,
Labiano,
the
the
front
front
end,
end,
and
and
Russell
Russell
Venturina,
Venturina,
the
the
back
back
end
end
developer.
developer.
So
So
now
now
let's
let's
begin.
begin.
The
The
general
general
objective
objective
of this
of this
study
study
is to
is to
develop
develop
a
a
Finding
Finding
Dormy,
Dormy,
a
a
mobile-based
mobile-based
platform
platform
for
for
finding
finding
dormitories
dormitories
in
in
Pinaots
Pinaots
and
and
Ildefonso,
Ildefonso,
Bulacan
Bulacan
that
that
provides
provides
students of
students
the
of the
Bulacan
Bulacan
Agricultural
Agricultural
State
State
College
College
with
with
an
an
accessible
accessible
and
and
reliable
reliable
system for
system for
locating
locating
available
available
dormitories
dormitories
through
through
accurate
accurate
location
location
details,
details,
updated
updated
dormitory
dormitory
information,
information,
and
and
direct
direct
communication
communication
with
with
dormitory
dormitory owners.
owners. Next
Next
is the
is the
specific
specific objectives.
objectives. Our
Our
specific
specific
objectives
objectives
is
is
to
to
design and
design and
develop a
develop a
mobile-based
mobile-based
platform
platform
that
that
provides
provides
complete
complete
and
and
updated
updated
dormitory
dormitory
information,
information,
including
including
availability,
availability,
rental
rental
rates,
rates,
location,
location,
and
and
services
services
offered
offered
in
in
Pinaots
Pinaots
and
and
Ildefonso
Ildefonso
Bulacan
Bulacan
dormitories,
dormitories,
and to
and to
provide a
provide a
user-friendly and
user-friendly and
accessible
accessible
system
system
that
that
enables
enables
students
students
of the
of the
Bulacan
Bulacan
Agricultural
Agricultural
State
State
College
College
to
to
easily
easily
search
search
for
for
dormitories
dormitories
and
and
communicate
communicate
directly
directly
with
with
dormitory
dormitory
owners.
owners.
And
And
lastly,
lastly,
to
to
improve
improve
the
the
convenience and
convenience and
efficiency of
efficiency of
dormitory
dormitory
searching
searching
by
by
providing
providing
accurate
accurate
location
location
and
and
details
details
and
and
organized
organized
dormitory
dormitory
listing
listing
through a
through a
centralized
centralized
mobile
mobile
platform.
platform.
To
To
continue the
continue the
presentation,
presentation,
I'd
I'd
like to
like to
call
call
Yul
Yul
David
David
to
to
further
further
explain the
explain the
system.
system.
So, for the proposed features and functionalities of our system, user registration and logging for student and dormitory owners. Second is dormitory listing with complete details, availability, rental price, and service offers. Third is search and filter system to easily find suitable dormitories. Fourth, location-based viewing of dormitories for better accessibility. Fourth is in-app communication between student and dormitory owners. And lastly, image display for dormitory rooms and facilities. Now for the system demonstration.
Dito, yung mga kailangan isip.
Hello, this is the landing page of the Finding Dormy. And first, we create a account. And fill up the details. And register. And this is the map. For now, wala pang masyadong dorm, isa pa lang, which is yung and this is the details ng dorm. And pwede mong i-message yung owner. Hmm. And yung mga services na offered nung dorm. Next is the profile. Then next is the admin. System na pala yung owner. And the messages. Ito po yung kanina na dorm na in-upload. And ito yung message from the student. Ito yung pinipilapan sa dorm pag mag-upload.
Balik ka sa
Then ito yung response nung owner. Then sa searches lalabas yung mga dorm. And that's all.
So now for the conclusion will be discussed by Mr. Labiano. And for the conclusion, Finding Dormi provides a centralized and reliable platform for finding dormitories in Pinaod, San Ildefonso, Bulacan. It aims for centralized dormitory information system, faster and easier dormitory searching. Next, improve access to updated dormitory details. And lastly, better communication between students and dormitory owners. And the future enhancement, may I call... And future enhancement, Finding Dormi will further improve the application's accessibility, functionality, and overall user experience with the means of first, push notification for newly added and updated dormitory listings. Second, dormitory rating and feedback system based on student reviews. Third, account verification for dormitory owners to ensure reliability. And lastly, improve dormitory listing management for faster and more accurate updates.
And for the further details will be provided by our user manual. And that's all. Thank you.